Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Safepal to Cash App. So make sure to download this Safepal app from your App Store and Play Store and log in with your account. And once you're logged in with your account, you will see this interface like the home section. And you can see multiple options like home, market, explore, swap and earn. So just make sure to go to this wallet section, and once you're here, just select your coin you want to send, like select the currency you want to send. You can search here or just select from here. Let's say I want to select like Bitcoin. Just select the Bitcoin, and from here just click on send. And once you click on send, it will take you to this tab. So from here you can see the coin and to the address. So enter the address. So from on this section you need to enter the address of like Cash App address. Just make sure to use the correct address, or you can just scan from this scanning option, and after that enter the amount. Like let's say I want to send 0.1 Bitcoin, so which is equivalent to almost 8,000 US dollars. So after that, just receiving address, network fee. So this is basically the network fee. And once done, just click on next. And after that, you will be able to transfer your money from like Safepal to Cash App. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.